Man, look at that celery. Celery's off the hook. All this has been in the ground since, I think, November. Overwintered. Nice. All right, YouTube, what's going on? Hey, check this out. So, I planted these probably back in September, and they've been covered with frost. They've been covered with snow, and maybe about less than a month ago they were shorter than here, so they didn't come above this. But what I did is I added some compost, my compost, and this happened within like maybe 2 weeks, how big this has gotten. Now I really don't have anything on this side. A few pieces of garlic, but I didn't really plant because what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a bed back up. Almost gave up on this right here, but looks real good. My compost, the issue with my compost is it's very moist. When I see some people use their compost, it's dry. I had asked a few people on YouTube, what could I do? Because this is a compost, and this compost has been in here for a long time. See how it looks? Looks gummy. It stinks. A lot of worms, which is good. So I know a lot of this is worm composting. Oh. And this side right here is a little drier, but still, this is how it looks. So what I did is this is what I did. I'm gonna feed my trees with this today, but what I did is I just dropped it in here. Let the water get all murky. Sorry, Mr. Worm. And then I just poured it on my trees. I'm gonna demonstrate. All right, you see how these look? We're gonna look at them in about 2 weeks.